The collagen craze fountain of youth or marketing hype? Collagen supplements have exploded in popularity. From glowing skin promises to joint pain relief, the claims are everywhere. Advertisements and influencers tout the benefits of collagen, making it seem like a miracle cure for aging and health issues. But do these supplements live up to the hype? Are they really as effective as they claim to be, or are we just falling for another marketing gimmick? Are they truly a fountain of youth or just clever marketing? The beauty industry is notorious for making bold claims, but how much of it is backed by science? Let's dive into the world of collagen and uncover the truth. We'll look at the origins of collagen supplements, how they are made, and what the experts have to say. We'll explore what collagen is, its role in the body, and why it's so important for our skin, joints, and overall health. How it works in our bodies, and how our natural collagen production changes as we age. We'll also discuss the different types of collagen and their specific benefits, and the scientific evidence behind its potential benefits. We'll review studies and expert opinions to see if the claims hold water. By understanding the facts, you can make informed decisions about whether collagen supplements are right for you. We'll also provide tips on what to look for when choosing a supplement and how to incorporate it into your routine. Join me as we separate fact from fiction in the world of collagen. Together, we'll navigate through the noise and find out if collagen supplements are worth your time and money. Collagen explained, your body's building block. This essential protein is the most abundant in our bodies, making up about 30% of the total protein content. It's a vital component that ensures our tissues remain strong and resilient. Collagen is a protein. It's found throughout your body in your skin, bones, muscles, tendons, and ligaments. It acts as a scaffold, providing structure and support to these tissues. Without collagen, our bodies would lack the necessary framework to function properly. Think of collagen as the glue that holds everything together, providing structure and support. Just like how glue binds materials together, collagen binds our cells and tissues, ensuring they stay intact and functional. This analogy helps us understand its critical role in maintaining the integrity of our body's structure. Unfortunately, our natural collagen production declines with age. Starting in our mid-20s, the body begins to produce less collagen, leading to a gradual breakdown of the collagen network. This decline is a natural part of the aging process, and can be influenced by factors such as UV exposure, smoking, and poor diet. This decline contributes to wrinkles, joint pain, and other signs of aging. As collagen levels drop, the skin loses its elasticity and firmness, leading to the formation of fine lines and wrinkles. Similarly, joints may become stiffer and more prone to pain due to the reduced support from collagen. There are different types of collagen, each with specific functions. In fact, there are at least 16 types of collagen, but the majority of the collagen in the body consists of types 1, 2, and 3. Each type plays a unique role in maintaining the health and function of various tissues. Type 1 collagen is the most abundant in the body, providing strength and elasticity to skin, tendons, and bones. It is crucial for maintaining the structural integrity of these tissues, ensuring they can withstand daily wear and tear. Type 2 collagen is primarily found in cartilage, supporting joint health. This type of collagen is essential for cushioning joints and allowing for smooth, pain-free movement. It helps maintain the flexibility and resilience of cartilage, which is vital for joint function. Understanding the role of collagen in our bodies is key to appreciating the potential benefits of supplementation. By incorporating collagen supplements into our diet, we can support our body's natural collagen production, potentially improving skin elasticity, reducing joint pain, and promoting overall health. Whether through diet or supplements, maintaining healthy collagen levels is essential for a vibrant and active life. Supplementing with collagen, a helping hand for your body. Collagen supplements are typically derived from animal sources such as bovine or marine collagen. These supplements are hydrolyzed, meaning the collagen is broken down into smaller peptides for better absorption. When you consume hydrolyzed collagen, your body can absorb and utilize these peptides more efficiently. Once absorbed, these peptides act as building blocks, supporting your body's natural collagen production. However, it's important to note that collagen supplements don't work overnight. Consistency is key. Regular intake over time allows the peptides to accumulate and potentially provide noticeable benefits. Section 4. The science speaks evidence for collagen's benefits. Numerous studies suggest that collagen supplements can offer various health advantages. Research indicates that collagen peptides may improve skin elasticity, reduce wrinkles, and promote hydration. Studies on athletes have shown that collagen supplementation might support joint health by reducing pain and improving mobility. Additionally, some evidence suggests potential benefits for hair and nail growth. While more research is always welcome, the existing scientific evidence provides a promising outlook on the potential of collagen supplementation. Section 5. Glowing skin, strong joints, and more. Unveiling the benefits. Collagen supplements offer a range of potential benefits. For skin health, collagen may improve elasticity, reduce the appearance of wrinkles, and promote a youthful glow. Joint support is another significant advantage, as collagen can help reduce pain, improve mobility, and support cartilage health. Additionally, collagen supplements may contribute to stronger nails, thicker hair, and improved gut health. It's important to remember that individual results may vary. Factors such as age, lifestyle, and overall health can influence the effectiveness of collagen supplements. Section 6. Maximizing your results. Tips for effective collagen supplementation. To reap the full benefits of collagen supplements, consider these helpful tips. Opt for high-quality products from reputable brands that prioritize sourcing and processing methods. Combine collagen supplements with vitamin C, as it plays a crucial role in collagen synthesis. Consistency is key, so incorporate collagen into your daily routine for optimal results. Remember, collagen supplements are not a quick fix. Be patient and consistent with your intake, and you may start noticing positive changes over time. Section 7. Collagen supplements. A realistic perspective. Collagen supplements can be a valuable addition to a healthy lifestyle. They are often marketed as a way to improve skin elasticity, reduce wrinkles, and support joint health. Many people turn to these supplements hoping to achieve a more youthful appearance and better physical performance. They offer a range of potential benefits, from supporting skin health and joint function to enhancing the strength and appearance of hair and nails. Collagen is a protein that our bodies produce naturally, but its production decreases as we age, leading to signs of aging and joint discomfort. By supplementing with collagen, you can help replenish your body's natural supply, potentially promoting hair and nail growth. This can be particularly beneficial for those experiencing thinning hair or brittle nails. However, it's crucial to maintain realistic expectations. While collagen supplements can support your health, they are not a cure-all. Results can vary based on individual factors such as age, diet, and overall health. Collagen supplements are not a magic solution. They should not be relied upon as the sole method for achieving health goals. Instead, they should be viewed as one component of a comprehensive wellness plan. They work best when combined with a balanced diet, regular exercise, and overall healthy habits. Eating a variety of nutrient-rich foods, staying active, and practicing good self-care are essential for maximizing the benefits of collagen supplements. By understanding the science behind collagen, choosing high-quality products, and being consistent with your intake, you can make informed decisions about your health. Look for supplements that are backed by research and have transparent ingredient lists. You can harness the potential benefits of collagen supplements and support your overall well-being. Remember, true health and beauty come from a holistic approach that includes proper nutrition, physical activity, and mental well-being. Embrace a realistic perspective and enjoy the journey to a healthier you.